Alison Hammond was left gutted after saying goodbye to her This Morning co-star on Friday morning. The new Great British Bake Off host paid tribute to her co-star Ella Bates, who worked behind the scenes on This Morning as a digital producer. Alison, 48, fronted Friday's installment of the flagship ITV show alongside Dermot O'Leary amid intense speculation on the friendship between regular hosts Holly Willoughby and Philip Schofield. Ella worked on This Morning for several years before her last shift on Friday, reports The Mirror. An emotional Alison wrote online, "I am absolutely devastated that Ella Bates is leaving. She has been a breath of fresh air every single day." Presenter Josie Gibson also took to Instagram to share her heartbreak over the news of Ella's move. In a gushing post, Josie penned, "The day we all got caught in the rain at Coronation Street while filming at This Morning, and then the sunshine came out. When I say sunshine I mean at Ella Bates' beautiful face. Ella, I am so sad to see you leave us. You lighten up any room with your magical energy. You are golden, my friend, and you're going places with that special energy of yours. I know you're going to live out your dreams, but we are going to miss you so very much." This sweet gesture comes amid the ongoing drama between regular hosts Holly and Phil. As reports have emerged, the 61-year-old is refusing to leave the show. One ITV insider described the situation between the two presenters as being like a runaway train that cannot be stopped. Phil is seemingly ignoring calls for him to resign despite his appeal to viewers being on the decline. Sources say it is causing a headache for ITV bosses because they are desperate to keep Holly while they would consider parting ways with Phil. One told the Mail, "Phil doesn't see why he should go. It's his job, he has steered the show for more than 20 years." Since the drama unfolded, TV insiders are reporting that Phil seems increasingly withdrawn amid the ongoing drama. A source told The Mirror, "He is, almost a shell of himself. He seems down and spends a lot of time in his dressing room. We're worried about him."